Alright, a little update on my bird of prey model. I've got all my detail painting done. I do like this contrast with this darker green, this forest green that I did as the base coat. And then hand painting in all the mock feathers and the red, and then some other colors. I used olive green XF56 and Japanese navel gray XF12 and cockpit what is this? I can't read it. Need my glasses. Cockpit green XF71. So just those three to achieve that look. Now I've got the landing gear drawing inside, as well as the power and ground wire that I'm feeding up through this, and it's going to come off right off the edge of the gangplank there, and then it will feed directly into a hole and be completely hidden from view that way. And now I'm just waiting for the canopy glue to dry, and everything's going to be really cool. Let me plug it in and show you, because I also finished painting up the engine cowling. You might be able to see it. Goodness. There we go. So I'm not sure how well you can see that on the camera there. But you can also make out the two SMDs that I put in that shine directly down onto the gangplank. You should also be able to see the blinking formation light up at the front. But I really like the look on the engines. I just have three 3mm LEDs in there. They're all flickering LEDs that you can get from HDA Model Works. I like all the new kind of lighting that is available for doing modeling now. To get that flickering effect, in the past you'd have to work out some kind of a circuit board for it and everything, and now you can just buy them that way. They're already designed that way, which is really cool. No circuitry boards needed at all. Even the blinking SMDs and the blinking LEDs, really simple solutions so that you don't have to go for any kind of circuitry, or circuitry boards I should say. And if you're wanting to have a consistent blinking, then you can just run fiber optics off of a single blinking LED to all the different light sources that you want to have blinking. So really glad that this is almost done. The diorama base is dry now, and I just need to pilot the hole again for the wire to be hidden, and this model will be done probably in the next hour or so. So I just wanted to show you where it is, and hope everybody's having fun doing their modeling. Thanks.